Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you forward a chat into your inbox into Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to forward any of the chat into Google Chat, you just simply have to open this chat application at very first. And after that, just simply open any of the chats where you have the message that you want to forward to other chat. For example, I have this carry survivor chat section. I'll open that, and then I have this chat into here. I'll select this chat. In order to select, tap into the chat for a while, and then after tapping in there, you will get this option of forward to inbox. Tap to forward to inbox, and then it will be forwarded to your inbox very easily. This way, you can also forward this chat to your inbox. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.